Charles Hamilton and Rita Ora.
How y'all feeling out there tonight? Yeah. Miles from home, my style is grown. Sick of getting played like a xylophone. My instrument is me with thousands of bones. Wildin', I just wanna zone. My mama know I need a chick to be kinda dope. Smile a lot, give a lot of only to me. Spoil me with your bad. You are like royalty, baby, catch that. See, the rain is making me feel painless. This relationship is so dangerous. If they find out, what will they make of it? So I savor every kiss like it's ancient. You ain't missing a thing with other who sing. I need cash to give you a ring. Love at first sight, but it was blocked by pain. So for you, I'll exceed the top 5.
Won't you, baby, in the city lights, I swear when you call my name, it's nothing right. I'm stuck here while you're miles away. Raining, and you're raining. It's too much now, babe, I need you. It's too much now, babe, I need you. I need you.
Red wine and cheese before bedtime. You and I fell in love is the headline. Instead of whining about what I've been finding, I stay silent and let you chime in. You want me to talk fine then? Someone broke your heart, let me find them. But I hate fights, and now I got stage fright. Until I'm at your place on the late night. You make me smile, stop doing that. A lot is on my mind when I rap. In fact, you are a lot, I guess I rap for you. Needless to say, it's magical after you. Chivalry I have to do. I love it when you catch an attitude. I wanna tease you just to laugh at you. So the makeup could be a fashion move. Come on.
In the city lights, I swear you can call my name. It's nothing right. I'm stuck here while you're miles away. You're raining, and you're raining. It's too much now, babe, I need you. It's too much now, babe, I need you. I need you.
When the rain falls down, the pain is all out. My brain call out my name and that's fame. I'm looking great, but I still feel shame. For real, it's the game. I feel insane, but when I'm with you, my feelings change. I love you. I really hope you feel the same. You know what I am. You're holding my hand. No one else can, so I'm your man. Your palm reads bliss. What are we miss? You are what I miss, and we all need this. Love and affection is all we miss from the world, but with each other, that's all we get. I wanna hear you out. Talk to me, miss. I hardly wanna slip the awesomest kiss. Call me whenever, call me forever. As long as I can call her.